Hello, today we will be learning how to create Google AdSense account. I'll go to Firefox and open it. I already have it here. I'll get to the address bar and I will type www.google.com/AdSense. Then I press the enter key. www.google.com/AdSense. So it will open this. This is actually their website. You can see where it is written Google AdSense. I'm going to wait for it to open. You need Google AdSense if you want to be making money from your content on the website, whether it is your video or from a website that you have. Like me, I create website lecture videos. So for me to monetize my account, I have a Google account. So I make money from that because I have an AdSense account. So AdSense is very, very important if you want to be making money from what you create online. So since it has opened, I can actually click on sign in if I already have an account. But if I don't have, I'll click on get started or sign up. Me, I already have an account. So, but to show you, I'll click on sign up. Also note that once you have a Gmail account, you can use it to connect any of Google services. Like AdSense is a Google service. So let's say you have a Gmail account, you can also click on this sign in and use your Gmail to sign in and fill in other details. But let's say that you're a new person, so I click on sign up. So I'll wait for the sign up page to open. Google AdSense is very important if you want to start creating and making money online. Your website that you have, like my www.champ.com, there I do my online work. I can connect it to this AdSense account. Google will be running adverts on the website and they will be paying me for that. So you can see the sign up page has opened. So I'll type in my website, the website that you want to connect to the AdSense, www.jamb.uni.com. That is the name of the website. So type in your email. So I'll type my email. It's already there, Tclassified.com @gmail.com. So I just type it in and it will ask you get useful AdSense information at your email address. I can say yes if I want to be getting AdSense information. Then I'll click on, I'll move this to one side so that I can see very well. Save and continue. So you see, they are very simple steps to take. I already have an AdSense account before with this email. I just fill that in so that it can take me to where I will fill in the final informations before my account is created. Like I told you, if you want to be making money online, you need an AdSense account for that, so that your content that you create, once people go to use them, Google will be able to run adverts on those contents and they will pay you. That's how most people make their money online, without having to sell the products, but create free content that people can see, start making a product more. So you can see they say you already have an AdSense account associated with Tclassified.com. So I click on got it. So if I hadn't an account, I would have been able to fill in some more information, simple informations that will help me to move on. So you can